What if one investment could open the door to permanent residency in the United States for your entire family? This is a structured legal pathway, and it's called EB-5. Why consider U.S. immigration? In the global mobility landscape, the United States remains unmatched, not just for its economy, but for its systems. A rule of law environment that protects property and personal freedom. A world-class education system, open access to the largest consumer and capital markets, and an unmatched ecosystem for families, talent, and capital to grow. For many global investors, immigrating to the U.S. is no longer a dream. It's a strategic move to establish legacy, protect wealth, and give the next generation a platform to thrive. What is the EB-5 program? Established by the U.S. Congress in 1990, the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program allows qualified foreign nationals to obtain a U.S. green card for themselves, their spouse, and unmarried children under 21 through a job-creating investment in the U.S. There are two primary investment thresholds: $800,000 US for projects located in targeted employment areas, TEAs, $1,050,000 US for non-TA investments or direct investments. Most investors opt to invest through a USCIS-approved regional center, which manages EB-5 projects and simplifies job creation tracking. What makes EB-5 unique? No language requirements, no business management obligations, no lottery or sponsorship needed, legal and direct path to permanent residency. What are the benefits of EB-5? EB-5 is not just a residency pathway, it's an investment in legal mobility, access to education, and family security. Key benefits include U.S. green cards for the investor, spouse, and children under 21, the right to live, work, and study anywhere in the U.S., access to public education and in-state tuition rates for universities, eligibility for U.S. citizenship after 5 years of permanent residency, the ability to open or acquire businesses or remain fully passive. Unlike other visa types, EB-5 offers autonomy, privacy, and permanence without requiring an employer or family sponsor. Who is eligible for EB-5? To qualify for EB-5, applicants must meet the following criteria: make a qualifying investment of $800,000 or $1,050,000. Prove that investment capital comes from a lawful source: business profits, real estate sales, inheritance, loans, gifts, etc. Have no serious criminal history. Be in good health and admissible to the United States. Commit to creating 10 full-time jobs for U.S. workers through their investment. Importantly, EB-5 does not require specific degrees, management experience, or prior U.S. ties. Legal framework and regulations. In 2022, the U.S. government passed the EB-5 Reform and Integrity Act, which significantly strengthened investor protections and compliance requirements. Key features include stricter definitions of TEs and project eligibility, enhanced oversight of regional centers, including third-party audits and reporting, reserved visa categories for rural, high unemployment, and infrastructure projects, program reauthorization through at least September 2027. This legal overhaul has reinforced EB-5 as a credible, regulated option for investors seeking long-term U.S. residency. Timeline and processing expectations. The EB-5 process is multi-stage and generally takes between 18 to 30 months, depending on USCIS processing times and country of origin. Typical timeline: 1. Project selection and investment commitment. 2. Submission of Form 1526E EB-5 petition. 3. Upon approval, applicants either consular process, if abroad, or adjust status, if already in the U.S. 4. Receive a 2-year conditional green card. 5. Within 2 years, submit Form 1-829 to prove job creation. 6. Upon I-829 approval, receive permanent green card. Step-by-step EB-5 application process. Here is a simplified outline of how EB-5 works in practice. Step 1. Choose a qualified EB-5 project, ideally with a strong track record and transparent documentation. Step 2. Conduct source of funds analysis and prepare legal documents. Step 3. Invest capital into a secure escrow account. Step 4. File Form I-526E to USCIS. Step 5. Complete visa interview or status adjustment to obtain conditional residency. Step 6. Reside in the U.S. for 2 years. Step 7. File Form I-829 to remove conditions and secure permanent residency. Working with experienced EB-5 attorneys, licensed advisors, and due diligence experts is strongly recommended.